Hello, how are you doing? You are very welcome here. Today we are going to be talking about digital products. The course handles how to make and sell digital products successfully. This course is for everyone that has any kind of knowledge, whether you have experience or you don't have experience. Whatever level of life you are at, this course is for you. This will show you how to package the knowledge that you may be having into a product that can be bought by someone. Without wasting so much time, let's get into it. What are digital products? These are downloadable or streamable assets that you can create once and sell over and over again. There is no inventory, no shipping, no physical overhead. We are talking about things like ebooks, guides, online courses, tutorials, templates, worksheets, stock photos, graphics, software and apps, audio files like music and podcasts, printables, planners, membership sites, many more things. There are so many of them, you can't exhaust them, but these are some of the most common. So in this course, we shall cover how to identify a profitable product that aligns with your skills and the market demand. I'll show you the tools and platforms you need to actually create your product, even with zero technical experience. Next, we shall set up your sales infrastructure from the payment processing to delivery automation. And finally, we shall discuss marketing strategies to get your product in front of eager buyers and generate your first sales. How do you find a digital product to sell? First of all, you have to think about a problem. It has to be something that solves a problem. Let's go to things that people complain about the most. For example, winning a child. If you want to do that, a student is suffering from anxiety and there's a parent who knows how their child overcame it. So you can share that knowledge in a digital product. Or there's someone who snores a lot in your family and you're looking for a way of overcoming that, of helping them overcome that. Everyday solutions to everyday problems. To look at knowledge that is shareable, knowledge that solves a problem, package it into a digital product that can be downloaded and read or listened to. That is, and start with. Today we are going to look at snoring, for example. To generate a guideline for our digital product, we are going to go to Claude.ai. You can use Claude, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Perplexity, any AI assistant that you're comfortable with. You just go online and check it out and use that one. So I'm using Claude. So after putting our prompt and getting the guideline or template from Claude, we shall put the document in MS Word or Google Docs for editing. Here we put all the knowledge, the facts, the statistics, and more to give our guideline more value. We have chosen this topic because snoring is a problem most women complain about, and since they shop more online than men do, we are sure to get the market for this product. That's because digital products are mostly sold online. So the next step is designing our product. We shall be using Canva for this one. In your browser, type canva.com, create an account using your email and password. If you already have an account, just sign in and you can start design and you'll be ready to begin. So you go on create, click create to bring this. If you want to make your own template, you can make one. If you don't, then you can choose from the available templates. Look for ebook, something like ebook or documents. You choose one that appeals to you and edit it according to your knowledge, according to the information that you want to display. Let's go with this. This one looks cute. This one looks nice. Let's go with this template. So we shall edit all these words out and put in our own words referring to our documents, as we had already put it in MS Word. So just copy there, or copy and paste there from our edited document, or type in the words if you have the time. Change the photos, put your own photo. If you don't want to put your own photo. If you do not have a photo that is ready, you can also go to Magic Media and generate a photo within Canva. It's an AI within Canva. Yes, so for the photos that we need, of course, we need to change. These are plants. We need to change to something more appealing, something more relatable to our product. So we are going to generate a picture of a person that is sleeping, a man, since we are talking about snoring in guys. Yes, so choose from these photos. If they don't appeal to you, still you can generate again. But this seems okay. So we shall put our picture there. Adjust it to the position that you love, the position that where you'd want it. And now we start putting in the information. You can either generate the pictures all at once or generate them step by step as you get to the place where they are needed along the journey of creating the digital product. You can adjust the letters, make them bigger, make them smaller. It can take up to 30 minutes to finish the template, depending on how big or how much your information is. This picture definitely looks better here. Change the name. Generate pictures. As I told you, you can generate as many pictures as you want. So if one doesn't look good, doesn't appeal to you, change it. It probably won't also appeal to your audience. So, put something that makes you motivated to actually sell the product that you have created. After editing and you are satisfied with the design of your ebook, click share and download it as a PDF file. Store it on your computer or phone where you can easily access it. Next, you'll have to create a mock-up design. So this is how the image that we shall be used to display your product. So choose your mock-ups, design them again with Canva. Just choose something that will appeal to you. After choosing the mock-up, choosing the design for the mock-up, put in your images. If you don't have the images, again you can generate images using Canva. Within Canva, with Canva AI, generate the images and design your product using the templates. There are various templates. You can choose one that really appeals to you and put in your product images, put in the words that describe your product, anything really that you'd like your customer to see when they when they look at your products. So after you have finished designing your mockups, again you go to share and download, but this time download them as PNG files, as an image. Yes, not as a PDF file, but as an image. Again, digital products, the next part is to actually create a place where we can display that product so that it can be bought. There are very many ways in which you can sell your digital products, but today we are going to start by creating our own online store using Hostinger. So you go to Hostinger website. The first thing you do is buy hosting. This is where your products or the online store will be stored. You can choose either premium or business plan for the best service. I will leave the link for this in the description. After payment, your profile will be created and you can start on creating your store. So we shall choose create website. After choosing that, you click next. And after clicking next, you go to Hostinger website builder. Select this one, which is bigger. It is beginner friendly. You don't need to know how to code or how to design. Really, anyone can use this because it's AI that builds for you the website. When you paid for your hosting, you also got a free domain name, so you don't need to pay for a name. So here you have to select the name you'd like your website to be called. Mine is that, so you just type it in. So after choosing that, this is free for 1 year. For the first year, it will be free, so you don't have to worry about paying for it for that entire year. After choosing your domain name, it will take you to this page where you can create your website. Here it will ask for your brand name and the description of your business. So you put the name you'd love your brand to be called, and use your real name if you want to be known by your name or your business name or something. Choose a name, put it there. So you put your brand name. After putting your brand name, then describe your business. In this description box, put in everything you'd want the AI to know in order to make the website the way you'd like it. Put enough detail so that it has something to work with. Like to put, and then click create website. Around maybe a minute or two, and it will provide for you a template. It will not take so long, and your website shall be ready. Here's your website. Name is there. There are pictures, there are videos. So if you want to change anything, you can change it. It's editable. You can edit. You can change the pictures. You can replace the pictures. You can change the color palette. It is very easy. After editing your website so that the outlook is pleasant to you, then you continue to set up your store. This is where you will add products, set up your payments, so that you're able to sell. People are able to buy from your store. So you click add product and choose digital product. Select, because we are going to sell a digital product, so don't choose anything else but digital product. After that, upload images and the product details. Upload the images of the product. The other images that you generated, the mock-up. You add your product details. If you don't know, there's an option of generating the product details with AI, but it's always better to use your own words so that everything doesn't look so generic. Okay. So let's upload our PNG file. These are what the customers will see displayed on your website or online store. Put the title and details of the products. Put the price you would like to sell the product at. If you don't know how much to sell your product, you can check out other platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and other sellers to know the range of such products, so that you don't underprice or overprice yours. So next, you need to upload our digital products. Choose the PDF file you had downloaded earlier, and select for how long you would like it to be available. So this is how our product will look on display. When you are satisfied with your online store and how it will look like, then you can click go live, so that anyone in the world with an internet connection can access and see your product. Now our online store is live. Our product is live. It can be accessed on the internet. So what next? The next thing is to figure out how people will be able to find your product. There are so many things on the internet today, so many online stores, so many people selling things online. So how will they be able to find yours? So in order for people to find your product, you have to market it. There are many ways of marketing. There's paid advertising, there's organic advertising, but the most easy one, which is beginner friendly, is social media marketing. It is using social media to let people know about your product. Very many social media platforms. You can choose the one that is the easiest for you. You look around and see the people that I'm targeting. Where do they like to hang out? Where do your women like to hang out? Is it TikTok, or is it Instagram? Is it Twitter? Are they professional? So you attach the link to your product, so on your online store. So after someone has the platform,